Hey y'all, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Conversation and Cup of Fascination. Fascination. Yas. The flavor is unsettlingly smooth, almost hypnotic, like liquid silk sliding down. A strange hum buzzes in my mind, pulling my focus to everything and nothing at once. My heartbeat quickens, not with fear, but with an uncontrollable urge to chase wherever this feeling is. Interesting. Oh, okay. Is that what you mean? Hi, Hulk. That is a yin-yang koi pond. Your head's made out of glass. Nice. I like that. Alright, that is the Cup of Fascination. Enjoy this episode. Please subscribe to Frank's video. Bye-bye.